Ducati are celebrating their 100th anniversary in 2026. And what better way to mark such a historic milestone than by creating one of the lightest, most powerful, and most technologically advanced superbikes ever built for the road? Introducing the Ducati Superleggera V4 Centenario, the fourth chapter in Ducati's legendary Superleggera series, based on the Panigale platform and pushed to a level we've never seen before. At the heart of this machine is a brand new Stradale R V4 engine, producing an incredible 224.9 horsepower in road-legal Euro 5 plus trim, and up to 243.6 horsepower when equipped with the racing kit. But the real story isn't just about power, it's about how little this bike weighs. In standard road trim, without fuel, it comes in at just 173 kilograms, and with the race setup, that drops even further to an astonishing 167 kilograms. The engine itself is a masterpiece of engineering. Based on the Panigale V4R's race-proven platform, capacity has been increased to 1,103 cubic centimeters thanks to a longer stroke, while maintaining advanced components like titanium intake valves and precision-engineered internals. Ducati has gone all in on weight reduction, using a lighter crankshaft with tungsten counterweights, titanium connecting rods, and more than 70 titanium bolts throughout the engine. The result is faster revving, sharper throttle response, and explosive acceleration. To make sure all that power is usable, Ducati has even implemented a racing-style gearbox layout, placing neutral at the very bottom to reduce the risk of accidental shifts during aggressive riding, especially when entering tight corners. Holding everything together is a completely bespoke carbon fiber chassis, including a carbon front frame, subframe, and swing arm. This design not only reduces weight significantly, but also uses the engine as a stressed member, just like a full MotoGP race bike. Even the suspension system has been optimized, featuring carbon fiber Öhlins fork tubes and a lighter rear spring, all fully adjustable to maintain peak performance while keeping weight to an absolute minimum. Braking performance reaches a completely new level with the introduction of carbon ceramic brake discs, something never before seen on a road-legal motorcycle. Developed by Brembo, these massive 340mm discs are lighter than traditional steel units while also reducing rotational inertia and improving heat resistance. Combined with high-performance calipers, the stopping power is nothing short of extraordinary. All of this is wrapped in a full carbon fiber body finished in a subtle GP-inspired racing livery, giving the bike a clean yet aggressive look that reflects its true purpose. Production will be extremely limited, with only 500 units of the standard version available worldwide. For those seeking something even more exclusive, Ducati is also offering a tricolor edition limited to just 100 units, featuring a unique Italian-inspired paint scheme and additional premium detailing. Each bike comes with a wooden crate, certificate of authenticity, and a full set of dedicated accessories, reinforcing its status as a collector's masterpiece. In the end, this isn't just another superbike. It's a celebration of a century of Ducati innovation, a showcase of cutting-edge technology, and a statement of what's possible when performance, engineering, and exclusivity are pushed to their absolute limits.